have you ever wondered about the sheer scale of the entrepreneurial spirit in America? How many brave individuals take the leap, starting their own ventures each year, and who are the companies empowering them on that journey? Today, we're diving deep into one such company that has become a cornerstone for aspiring business owners, ZenBusiness. Specifically, we're going to answer a question many of you might be curious about. Just how many customers does ZenBusiness have? But before we unveil that impressive number, let's set the stage. The world of business formation can feel like a labyrinth. You've got to navigate legal structures like LLCs, corporations, and sole proprietorships. Then there's the paperwork, articles of organization, operating agreements, obtaining an employer identification number, and securing various licenses and permits. It's enough to make even the most passionate entrepreneur pause. This is where services like ZenBusiness step in, aiming to simplify the entire process, making business ownership accessible to everyone. They offer an all-in-one platform designed to help people start, run, and grow their companies. Think about it for a moment. Starting a business isn't just about a great idea. It's about execution, compliance, and establishing a legitimate presence. For many, the legal and administrative hurdles are the most intimidating. A single misstep could lead to delays, fines, or even legal complications down the line. ZenBusiness positions itself as a trusted guide, offering services that range from initial business formation to ongoing compliance, registered agent services, and even tools for managing finances and getting customers. They truly aim to be the operating system for small business success. Now, why does the number of customers a company like ZenBusiness has matter? It's more than just a statistic. It's a powerful indicator of several things. Firstly, it speaks to their trustworthiness and effectiveness. In a competitive market, a large customer base suggests that ZenBusiness is delivering on its promises and providing real value to entrepreneurs. People wouldn't choose them if they weren't getting results. Secondly, it highlights the growing trend of entrepreneurship. More and more individuals are choosing to pursue their dreams of self-employment, and platforms like ZenBusiness are facilitating this movement. Finally, a significant customer count demonstrates the scale of their impact. Each customer represents a new business, a new job created, and a new contribution to the economy. It's a testament to the collective ambition and innovation thriving in the small business sector. ZenBusiness understands these challenges intimately. Their mission is rooted in empowering entrepreneurs from all walks of life. They recognize that individuals are often happier and more fulfilled when they work for themselves, and they've built a platform that combines cutting-edge technology with human expertise to make that a reality. This commitment to both efficiency and empathy is a significant part of their appeal. So, drumroll please. As of our latest information, ZenBusiness has helped over 850,000 businesses get started and thrive. That's right, over 750,000 entrepreneurs have turned to ZenBusiness to navigate the complexities of launching and managing their ventures. This is a truly remarkable figure, showcasing the company's significant footprint in the small business ecosystem. Consider what that number represents. It's 850,000 dreams, 850,000 new ideas taking shape, 850,000 individuals taking control of their professional lives. Each of these businesses, whether it's a small online shop, a local service provider, or a burgeoning tech startup, contributes to the vibrant tapestry of the economy. ZenBusiness's growth from earlier reported figures of 70,000 customers to over 220,000 in just 24 months, and now exceeding 850,000, speaks volumes about their accelerating impact and the increasing demand for their services. This impressive growth isn't accidental. It's a result of their strategic approach. ZenBusiness has invested heavily in technology, including AI-powered solutions, to simplify complex business actions. This means less guesswork for entrepreneurs and more focus on what they do best, building their business. Their emphasis on a user-friendly experience, tailored insights, and proactive recommendations means that customers feel supported every step of the way. They're not just providing a service. They're providing a partnership for the life of a business. Furthermore, ZenBusiness's strong reputation is bolstered by excellent customer reviews. With nearly 18,000 Trustpilot reviews and an average rating of 4.8 out of 5, it's clear that their customer service stands out. Many reviews specifically praise individual agents for their helpfulness and the smooth, quick processes, from resolving issues to forming a business. This dedication to customer satisfaction is a critical factor in attracting and retaining such a large user base. The services they offer extend far beyond just initial formation. They provide ongoing compliance services, helping businesses stay in good standing with state regulations. They assist with obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, which is crucial for hiring employees and opening a business bank account. They even offer tools for building a business website, registering a domain name, and setting up business email addresses. This comprehensive suite of services means that entrepreneurs can manage many aspects of their business from a single, convenient dashboard, reducing the need to juggle multiple platforms and providers. ZenBusiness's model is particularly well-suited for entrepreneurs who value a tech-driven platform and require extensive customer support throughout their business journey. Their flexible and customizable packages allow businesses to tailor their plan to their specific needs, whether they're just starting out with a basic LLC formation or require more advanced features for a comprehensive online presence. The story of ZenBusiness's customer growth is a reflection of a larger narrative: the democratization of entrepreneurship. Barriers to entry are being lowered, and more people than ever before have the opportunity to turn their ideas into reality. Companies like ZenBusiness are not just facilitators. They are active participants in this exciting evolution, providing the essential tools and guidance that make business ownership achievable for a broader segment of the population. Their continued expansion suggests a bright future for both the company and the countless small businesses they empower. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.